Right. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will be talking about the key principles.
Yes, we can.
And then, can you hear me? All right. So this morning, I'll be talking about the key principles and benefits of agile methodology in project management. Um, let's start with the overview. We have the key principles of agile methodology, the benefits of agile methodology, common agile frameworks, and when to use the agile methodology. So, introduction. The agile methodology is a flexible and iterative approach to project management that emphasizes collaboration, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement. Unlike the traditional waterfall methods, agile projects are broken down into smaller iterations or sprints. What we mean by iterations are sprints, that is a smaller parts, allowing teams to adapt to changes and deliver value incrementally as the project proceeds. The key principles, sorry, under the key principles, we have the, sorry, this thing is blocking my view. Right. Under the principle, we have the iterative development. This means projects are divided into smaller time-boxed iteration, that's sprints. As I said earlier, iterations are interpreted to be sprints that deliver working products. Also, we have the incremental delivery. In this situation, value is delivered to the customer continuously throughout the project rather than in one large release at the end. Rather than in one large release at the end. Can you hear me? Also, we have the collaboration, teamwork closely together to identify and address challenges, ensuring that project stays on track. Also, there is customer satisfaction. The customer is involved in the project from the beginning, providing feedback and ensuring that the final product meets their end needs. Also, we have the continuous improvement. Teams constantly reflect on their process and make adjustments to improve their performance. Also, there is increased flexibility. Agile projects can adapt to changes that often more easily than the traditional projects. That is changing that occurs along the line while still carrying out the projects. Improved customer satisfaction. Agile projects deliver value to the customer early and often leading to higher satisfaction. Reduce risk. That is, the agile projects breaks down projects into an even smaller iterations, that is sprints, so that team can identify and address the risk thereon early. We also have increased productivity. The agile teams are often more productive than the traditional teams, as they are able to focus on delivering value rather than flowing rigid process. So we have the common agile frameworks. Under the agile methodology, we have like three major frameworks, which is Scrum, Kanban, and the extreme programming. The Scrum is a very popular Agile framework, which emphasizes the iterative development, that is sprint development and self-organizing teams and continuous improvement. While the Kanban framework focuses mainly on visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and continuously improving the inflow of work. While the extreme programming, which is popularly known as SP, emphasizes on simplicity, communication, feedback, and courage. There is also key Agile practices. What are these key Agile practices? The key Agile practices are sprint planning, that is, team plan their work for upcoming sprints. That is, they plan their work for upcoming projects. And daily scrum, that is stand up. This one I think we are familiar with. Team members share their progresses, challenges, and plans for the day. Also, we have the sprint review. The team demonstrates the completed work to stakeholders. Sprint retrospective. This team reflects The team reflects on the sprint and identify, that is, reflects on the work done and identifies areas for improvement. Continuous integration, that is, code changes are matched into the main branch frequently to detect and fix issues. Test-driven development, that is, writing tests before writing code to ensure quality. Then we have when to use the Agile methodology. See, the Agile methodology can be applicable in the following: when projects with uncertain requirements, when you have certain projects which the requirements are not well spelled out, Agile is well suited for such projects, because in such projects, a lot of things are introduced along the line, and Agile is best suited for such situation, whereby it's also explained here, Agile is well suited for projects where the requirements are not fully defined at the beginning. So when you are carrying out the project and the requirements are not well defined, maybe along the project, they remember there is something that they want to include. That's when you use the Agile project. It accommodates such. When projects that require, it's also used in projects that require frequent changes. This is a situation where you have a project whereby there is a constant change in requirements. Agile methodology is very, very much important in this type of projects. So Agile can accommodate such changes and more easily than any other traditional method. Projects where customer satisfaction is a priority. Agile projects deliver value to the customer early and often leading to higher satisfaction. Yes, Agile allows projects to be completed early because they are divided. As I said earlier, they are divided into sprints, which allow each team member to know what to do and get the work done early. So also projects where collaboration and teamwork are important. Agile framework emphasizes on collaboration and teamwork. Like I explained earlier, the Agile framework puts much emphasis on dividing the job amongst team members and assigning rules to each team members on what to do on the project so as to achieve better results. In conclusion, the Agile methodology is a powerful approach to project management that helps the team deliver high-quality products on time and within budget by emphasizing flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Agile projects can as well be more successful than traditional projects. So, if there is any question, please let me know.
Thank you so much. That was a very quick presentation. You do not have questions for us, do you? Hi, OLALEYE. Please, did you hear me? Do you have questions for us? You should have questions for us. I said, do you have questions for us?
No, I don't have any questions. If there's any question for me, they should let me know so that I can respond to it.
All right, so please, do we have questions? We've seen Agile methodology. Do we have questions?